I've installed the replacement UF85 valve, and it did make a slight improvement. Not the improvement I was expecting, considering the valve tester was saying it was had high grid emissions. I was expecting I suppose I was expecting miracles really. I was expecting a big improvement in sensitivity. The sensitivity has come up, but also I have replaced quite a few of the resistors inside that have gone high. That's just a selection of some of the resistors I replaced. Typically the higher value ones with a bit of current passing through them tend to be 40–50% high. I think basically, I mean, I've gone through the rest of the resistors and they're all within the spec of 20%, which is the original manufacturer's recommendations, or the silver bar on the resistor. That's the silver band there, that's the tolerance band, which is 20%, and that, for example, that's the 680K. Let me just show you on the meter what it actually measures. So we'll connect this up to the Solartron. Let's see what that measures. Okay, so that's measuring 87, so that's pretty awful really. Let's find another one at random. There's a 680K here, from another position, and it tends to be the higher value ones that are really bad. And as I say, with this, they have passed a bit of current. That's 950 meg, 950K, sorry, so that really is ball. This one here, this is the 10K, this is the resistor that feeds the anode of the output valve via the audio transformer, and as the audio was weak, I replaced this one. It wasn't quite as bad as some of the others, but it's still, you know, it's 47% out tolerance. Is that 47%? Yeah, it is, isn't it? Is it 47%? But it's anyway, it's 10K, and it's supposed to be 10K, and it's reading 14.7. So yeah, it's a long way out. As you can tell, mass was never my good point. There's another one here, an 82 ohm. I can't remember where that was, but that was passing a reasonable amount of current. And when I checked it, that was reading, I think I probably only changed that unnecessarily. That was reading 88, so that's not bad. And that also proves that the higher value resistors are also the low values aren't affected so much. So let's have a listen to the sensitivity and see what we've got now. Full volume, it's quite loud now. I watch her every morning. And this is running on just a length of wire, I don't know if you can see that, a length of wire on the set, so it's
servicing the military industrial complex and so on, and to bail out.
It's not bad. The sound quality, I'm running it through the workshop speakers at the moment, and the sound quality is pretty good actually. So basically I think it's more or less ready to go back in its cabinet. I'll probably have to do a scale alignment check, because that's obviously messing around with oscillators and things like that, but hopefully this will be a nice little radio. Once it's back together, we'll do an alignment on it, make sure it's all correct, and go from there. Thanks for watching.